Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever wanted to edit one specific part of an image, only to find it's a flat picture with all the elements merged together? It's a common frustration for artists and designers. But what if an AI could look at any image and automatically separate it into a stack of perfectly ordered, editable layers? Researchers have introduced a revolutionary new concept to do just that, which they call Illustrator's depth. To understand why this is a big deal, we need to know that Illustrator's depth is fundamentally different from the physical depth that other AIs try to see. For example, a normal depth model sees a drawing on a t-shirt as completely flat because in the real world, it is. However, an artist thinks of the t-shirt as one layer and the drawing as a separate layer placed on top of it. Existing tools fail to understand this creative logic, which is crucial for editing. The AI model was trained on a huge, curated dataset of layered vector graphics, specifically SVG files. By analyzing hundreds of thousands of these files, it learned the common patterns and logic that human artists use to structure their work. Now, it can infer this hidden layer structure from a single, flat input image like a PNG or JPEG. One of the most powerful applications is in image vectorization, which is the process of converting pixel-based images into scalable vector graphics. When paired with standard vectorization tools, this new method produces editable, depth-ordered files that are vastly superior to the competition. As you can see in this comparison, other methods often create a jumbled mess, while this approach produces clean layers that respect the original artistic intent. This technology is also a game-changer for AI-generated art. A user can take an image created by a text-to-image model and use Illustrator's depth to automatically convert it into a high-quality, editable, and layered vector illustration. This bridges the gap between rapid AI creation and the detailed refinement required in professional creative workflows. But the applications go beyond 2D. By interpreting the predicted layer order as height, the system can automatically generate 3D reliefs from a single 2D image. This could be used to turn a favorite painting into a 3D, printable object or create tactile graphics for the visually impaired, all with no manual intervention. It also makes standard raster image editing much more intuitive. Instead of complex selection tools, a user could simply use a threshold slider to instantly separate foreground elements from the background. This makes tasks like replacing a sky or inserting an object into a scene incredibly simple. So, to recap, this research redefines image depth from a physical measurement to a creative, compositional one. The Illustrator's depth model understands the hidden layer structure in flat images, just like an artist would. This breakthrough enables state-of-the-art vectorization, transforms AI art into editable files, and even creates 3D models from 2D images. In the future, this concept could become a foundational part of creative software, making powerful editing tools smarter and more accessible for everyone. What do you think of this technology? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.